Tubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Ninwan ra mangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Nakaliang kejonga ke ai ko banga kwa ban ong ne ngam persya ai ba ai vaksin bat ngan om longru uta u ban keren persya ai bala dep ai vaksin Henry ke ai ko banga kwa ban keren ni ka long bai haba ngile ai gono haba ke ai ko ba long benta ka long ba ka sarkar haba ka kwa ban ai ni vaksin ka terwa shi ki pat ba kamdei bakan penbor badru ban shuthnyan jupor hapok jingmut jumperkhat chung ki breu baki dei be ban ai ya vaksin ti nakaliang kejonga yi bala ai bat yi bompat ai ru ka shong ba ya kamon balai lui ke jingjit kumta kuba ka high court kala ong ba omdan bala ban penbor ka shong ba ya kamon balai lui kumta ru nakaliang kejonga ngamton ban ong i bat nakaliang kejonga ngashu ong be baro ka long be ya kamon balai lui chong uwei pa uwei breu Hadin ketu ke jingpen mi jong ka Meghalaya High Court ye ketu ka order. Te ngai bak sarkar Meghalaya ru kala shim ke senjam kala shim kini ki lat kinti ban penmi ke notification ban boot ye kata ke jingpet hak jong ka Meghalaya High Court. Henry ke ai ke banga kwa ban keren hang ne ka long ba ha ke ne halor ke ne ka jing penmi notification jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ka ba ong ba Hake point ka balai ka bumi lemba ka deka shiti ka baong gumne. With reference to the Health and Family Welfare Department guidelines by letter number Health 225 2021-7 dated 22nd of June 2021 which has been endorsed by the Honorable High Court as directed in the said guidelines, it is mandatory that all employees and staffs of shops, establishments and drivers, conductors and helpers of local taxis, auto rickshaws, maxi cabs and buses who choose not to get vaccinated should get themselves tested once in every 10 days so as to exercise social responsibility and contribute to the safety of the society for ensuring their safe measure. They are to produce the NT-PCR test report or RAT test report after every 10 days interval. Okay, this is a very important point. Kani kalong ka point ka ba kongsan ka ba ngi ki ba ngi kinong song jong kejela magalya bat kam tam lili jong perthai bro koi haba ki yo I kene nga tharai kin ya godong ni bat nga nomor ba kum mangitip pementa ba kat kum kini ki guidelines kat kum kini ki jingpen mi jom kini ka World Health Organization jo ki ICMR bat ru kini ki medical professions bat kum ta terker ki ong ba what hadin bala ayu ni COVID vaccine ru ki briu ki dang yo hi ya uni coronavirus bat ki long ru kita ki briu ki bala ben pensapriang ya uni ujinpang dengan su puli ye pi ne khndiat kat kum kene ka report jom kene ka bala penmi da kene ka Tamil Nadu Medical Practitioners Association ki ong ba dear friends all of you must be concerned about the reported deaths after taking the COVID vaccine. Kadi ki penmi ha ka arf nyutrik jung upnai April lini upnai yayong jung usnyam arfu arjar arfuwai. Kabumut ba ki brio ki bala shim yunu injection lini yunu Tika virus ru or Tika vaccine ru yu Tika banyadan unu COVID-19 ru kidang yo hi ya uta u coronavirus. Nangta kadon susu kijing tho ki baong. Ngan puli pi de kaktin pareng. Do I need to use the mask, other COVID-19 appropriate precautions after receiving the vaccine? Kadi kat kum ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Ka ai kini ka guidelines ko ong. Ha kini ki FAQ, frequently asked questions. Do I need to use the mask, other COVID-19 appropriate precautions after receiving the vaccine? Yes, it is absolutely necessary that everyone who has received the COVID-19 vaccine should continue to follow the COVID-19 appropriate behavior. That is mask, social distancing and hand sanitization to protect themselves and those around them from spreading the infection. Ang ni kalong ba, wat lada pila yo ni Tika ru. Kamot ba, pidang yo bay yo ni COVID-19. Shushu ka ong ni, even after you have been vaccinated, keep taking precautions. Kung bangilatip ka precaution, kidi banshim, kung bashim lem kito kiba kelempat yo vaksin, kini kiba la dep ban yo uni vaksin ru kini banshim ki protokol, kidi banshim be ki la jinyada ban yada na uni COVID-19. Tika penlengo yang kalong ba hakni ka hukum jong kani ka lani ka notification jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ka ong ba de ban test tang ya kitu kiba kelempat yo vaksin ka baken thup na du ki nong shong dukan ki try dukan ki nong ya kali ki konduktor bus ki konduktor jong ki kali rit ki konduktor jong ki maxi cab ki nong yarap ki badan hapok ki dukan bat kumta terter kumbak orang ni who choose not to get vaccinated should get themselves tested once in every 10 days. Kapamud hato kini ki bala dep ban yo Tika vaksin kim don kam shu ban test. Habahang ni ko ong ba wat lada pila yo Tika vaksin ru pi dang yo ya uni COVID. Kumangi i mentah pori Indonesia. Kajing yo yakini kajing yo ya uni COVID-19. Kibabun kiberiu ki yo hadin baladep ban yo injection. Hapo ri Israel mentangi i babun kiberiu ki bala yo injection lu kedang yo COVID-19. Te balai pat don kamban test tangi gini ki bala don kamban test tangi gini ki baklan pat yo vaksin. Kani kumbangan syuong kajing ai gini ke notification yo let's say kalong da kajing pampat bishar ha leni kidang don kini kajing bampat ya baik hang ni hang tai takadaw ki ong bay tangi gitu ki baklempat ay vaksin kidi ban lek ban test man ka suppose ni bun ngi iba bun kini ki briu ki bala yo ini COVID-19 vaksin ru kidang yo ini COVID-19 kidang yo ini virus but ki yap ru na kita kicing yo jong ki yo ini COVID-19 what hadin mungkin ada ban IT karo te balai pada kani ka notification ka penmi hang ni ba tang kitu ki bala dep ban yo vaksin let's kim dan kam syukan test te ke ka bapenlong ya ke sarkar Meghalaya ban wan de kani ka an berpemi kani notification halor kani ngamlak dan sutu nomor ba kumba kalong mentaru lada ngatre po dukan ngatre po kadukan lani ngatre po ki maxi cap lani ngatre kuno ke benta lada ngamtre ban ai vaksin ni lede ngahap ban lik test man ka sisien haka si posngi Tongan latest man ka sisien ka suppose ni. Biang lada ngamla ban latest man ka sisien ka suppose ni. Kamot ba kitu ki beriu ki ba ai kam nga hapot dukan. Hato kinbe kam no ina. Lada ki be kam nga tang namar ba nga klem test, nga klem le igani ka NT-PCR test, lani ka rat test, lani nga klem ai vaccine ni lede kamot ngandu no kita ka hop kamay ki junga. Kani kalau ke ko bak sarkar Meghalaya, the government of Meghalaya has to think over. They have to think over. They have to find out a way and a solution to this problem. Why do only a person who is vaccinated, exempted from getting the NT-PCR test or the RAT test, when we know very clearly that even after receiving the inoculation, even after receiving the jab, people are liable to get COVID-19. So why this discrimination and why this imbalance? Why is this not equal for everybody? Because we know damn well that even after getting ourselves vaccinated, even after getting ourselves inoculated, we are still liable to get COVID-19. So why this discrimination? I just want the government of Meghalaya to think over and to come up with a clear picture about this. Because as a normal citizen, I cannot understand as to what this really means. Why are people who have received the COVID-19 jab exempted when we know damn well, when we know very clearly that even after getting ourselves inoculated, when we have seen the examples from all over the world, even from India, as I've just read to you about the Tamil Nadu Medical Practitioners Association, they have clearly mentioned that the COVID cases in India, in Tamil Nadu, in the rest of India keeps rising, even after people are being vaccinated. So this is the point that the government of Meghalaya have to come clear so that people will get a clear picture of what this is all about. What sngui banga keren lang da kaparing nang ba pun ki ba let's say kim suktu te pan map na pi lor kata te ke ka banga keren ni ka long ba balai da don kam ban test tangi gini ki briu ki ba 4 yo injection nambar ba ku mangalong ba what kini ki bala yo unu COVID vaccine injection ru ki kidang yo ba unu COVID-19 te ku mangala keren mene ba ki nong tri hopo dukan ki nong nya kali let's say lada kimon ban unu COVID-19 vaccine lada ki tri hopo ki dukan kamut ba kitu ki try dukan namar ba ki boot igene ka ai ilani igene ka notification ka bala permi ka sarkar Meghalaya kamut ba kinbe try no ikitu kinong try ki ba try hapo ki jungki hapo ki dukan ki jungki ki banya ki kali ki jungki. Where is that fairness? In the interest of fairness ka sarkar Meghalaya ka de ban wan ra ban ai ki jing shai ka ba ngidai ban suthu lang baro ba balai badan kam ban test tangi kitu ki ba klepat ai injek nambar ba kumbang ala ong meneba baro ngila banyo yaw to yang jingpang lada ngila ai vaccine dan ngimpat ai vaccine but kini jing test man ka shi pos ngiru kolong ke ka ba ngamla ban suthu namar ba man ka shi pos ngi ban test shugo nga shong po dukan mentanga ngam tre ban ai vaccine ngahap li test man ka shi pos ngi wat lada ngam don kita ke jing smoper ka met ka jongaru kalau ke ka ba ngamla ban suthu namar ba kumbangan syuang ni habangi plang ka benyan ngindung sidung ya ka benyan teng kawan ra kita ke injury lani ya kata ka jingmen saw tika no sien ilay man ka shi posing ni de bandung ni ledi ni de ban shimi kita ki sample naga khubut naga sintur ke jungi let's say kanya kan don ke jing kta yanore kiba mlong kiba umdon ya kataka jing sngo shinganya kemet ke jongki tinga syuku ang ni bak sarkar Meghalaya kan long clear halor kata bat ru ko pan keren sa kawe kat ni sin ngin le ya ka test shi sin ka shi posni kiba klem pat ai vaccine hatu kan ni ka long ni am kum kata ka torture len ni ke jing pin shitom number ba mi klem ai vaccine kajing siu ke bangi haplan siu man ka shisin man ka laisin na ka shibanai namar hau banai ni da lai posngi kamut laisin shibanai ni hapai banle kata ka NT-PCR test batro ka RAT test ya kani kapisa menuban ai ngin yo na badru hatu ngidadon kam na em banle kata ka test wat lada ngim don kata jing sup her ha komet ke jungi bat kumbanga kwa manong biang neba kani ka an kani ka notification kani ka order ka bumi ng sarkar Meghalaya ka jungi kadai banlong universal uniform ya baro kumbang itip ba uni uknyang jingpang ru umdai bo un jit briu tangi gibak lempat ai injection un kta iki nambar ba kumbang itip uni uknyang jingpang umdon discrimination ukta lot ya baro wala da pila ai injek lada phim ai injek kuta lut salansa te ka sarkar Meghalaya ka dewan pek alor gani bat nga kermen lu baka high court lani kene ka yim bishar bahakli jong ka Meghalaya kan shim ya kani ka point ka banga kren menta let me I ngan kren ka da ka pareng when we are very sure that this COVID-19 virus attacks a person whether a person is being inoculated have received the jab and a person who have not received the vaccine. This virus does not discriminate between a person who have not received the inoculation and a person who has received the inoculation. As I have said, that everybody is liable to get COVID-19 virus irrespective of being vaccinated or not vaccinated. Therefore, I kindly request the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya to kindly come clear on this, so that we, the normal citizens of this state of ours, would know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Because as the government of Meghalaya have suggested that those who do not get vaccinated should get themselves tested once in every 10 days. Why this discrimination of only people who have not received the COVID-19 vaccine? Why not even the people who have received the inoculation? Because as I've said, everybody is prone to get back the to get the COVID-19 virus. We have seen that there are also times when people have relapsed. They are also prone to get COVID-19 virus. Therefore, it is my humble request as a concerned citizen of the state of Meghalaya that irrespective of being inoculated or not inoculated, vaccinated or not vaccinated, testing should be uniform for each and everyone, so that we will all be in a sigh of relief. Because if we are not tested, even after getting vaccinated, we are liable to be the carriers. We are liable to be the person who has COVID-19. Therefore, kajing kerpat kajunga kalomba ngin shimkhia alor kani ngin suthu alor kani badru ba ke health department ke sarkar Meghalaya ka dewan shimkhia alor kani khnang ba ki pajba jungi ken suthu. And once again, I would like to request the health department of Meghalaya to be fair enough to be clear with what their stand is, that is to spread awareness among all citizens, amongst all people who live in the state of Meghalaya, so that they will not have any misconceptions and misunderstanding about this COVID-19. Let the medical fraternity of Meghalaya debate about this and enlighten the people about the COVID-19 vaccine and also about the COVID-19 virus. Nabar ko bakalong menta pun kibri kemtek man ai vaccine ban ngi iru kajing ka kidon ru kibriu kiba ladap ban ai vaccine lede ande kajing kren kajungki kajing pen kajungki kini kibriu kiba klan pat ai vaccine kalong discriminatory kalong ka ba mlak bangin pediang ya ka ha ka ba yedai berkata namar ba ku bakalong pa nyimkwa pa kani kajing ai injection Tika kan long kum kata ka la pun ban pen sepriang ya kani ka stigma and discrimination lani kajing ibeng lani kajing nyobeng siliang kman namar kum bakalong matai oleh si kala don ne si kata stigma and discrimination happening ki bala ai vaccine bat ki bompat ai vaccine kum tak sarkar Meghalaya ka dai benle ek bun kam bat kan wengi gini ka discrimination stigma and discrimination kenapa ki pat baru ladaki ai vaccine kat shong hakamon kejungki ladaki ai vaccine kat shong hakamon kejungki bat ba kani ka stigma and discrimination de ban pendu no knang ba kanom don kanu kejungi pair jingmon hapade ke bala ai Tika bat ki bom ai Tika bat kumbangan shu ong ni bakat kum ka jing ong ju Supreme Court ban ai Tika kadai baik man kalong baik voluntarily kam dai mandatory kumta ka sarkar Meghalaya ro kadiban suthu alor kata ke ba ka Supreme Court patru ka High Court ko ang ba amde ban pun bor yenu no ka shong be ka mon balai lut pan chupuli phiang ni ka we ka Supreme Court decision in common cause versus Union of India ar hajar khatra san SCC ka baningkong ongum ni. A person has a right to choose medication of his choice. A person has a right to receive treatment of his choice, and vaccination cannot be forced upon him. Kabamot ba mla ban pun bor ban ai Tika. But it is the choice of the person to receive or not to receive treatment. Treatment kabakun thuk ya ka vaccination. Kemudian ikut ai Tika. Kumta ka sarkar Meghalaya kadiban suthu nomor ba kumangitip ba ke bagile kadai ban long bai kaba yat kat kum kataka kot riti sensyar jong kari India kabamut ka right to equality kaba barok khoi ki pait nong susnong jong kari India ki de bendon ni kataka hok kaba mari rengkat bat barok bat ru ba ke kaba ke sarkar ke le ke de men yat be kat kum kataka international rights haka artikel kecongka ke beningkong kum ni all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reasons and conscience and shall act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. Tinggi di masutu ikata ba ke bagin le ke de ban lok salan sari gomoro amdei kata rajur kan no silyang you know kamdei ban khia thau silyang kamdei ban no silyang. Ti halor gini nga kermen baka high court tu kan yo so gini kijing kren kijunga ha gini kapor batu kan sim garai kumangalom lu sedang kan ni kijing Tika ka syong bai ha ka mon balai lu chong ubreu la da ukwa pan Tika la ni kwa pan ai Henry sarkar la ni ka health department ke ru kimdon balak pan punbor you know ban ai la de banom Tika ka syong ka mon balai lu chong ubreu batru lada don Kiba klem Tika ru kamut ba ya ka hok ka jungki ru dei ban respect la ne dei ban buram namar ba ka hok ka jungki ka dei be ka ba nyai rengkat kat kum kamon ka ba ki kidon te tagini kentien kublai